up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you my morning smoothie routine. I know there are tons and tons and tons of different smoothie routines, different recipes. This has been my go-to. It's so easy for me to whip this up in the morning and just put it in one of these mason jars, put on a topper, and just jet out the door. I'm always on the move with my girls, so in the morning when I have to rush them to school, I typically use this smoothie recipe as like a meal replacement because it has a lot of protein, fat, and fiber all in one. So this is usually my breakfast. Whip this up and then I'm out the door. I'm excited to share it with you guys today. Hopefully you guys give this a try. All the measurements and everything are going to be down in the description box below. I am going to be using my Vitamix, and I'm also going to have my like to know it link down below, so be sure to check out down below. I've been wanting a Vitamix for quite some time now, and I actually did a video back in December. It was like a gift guide / wish list, and the Vitamix was on my wish list. We had went to a store a while ago and they were doing a demonstration with the Vitamix, and I was sold. I've been wanting one ever since. So I have transitioned over from a Ninja to the Vitamix, and there is no looking back from here. It is a completely different ball game. In the past, the Ninja was getting me through, but towards the end of its lifespan, I had it for a long time, and towards the end of it, things just weren't getting chopped up. I would have whole fruit still in my smoothie, but let me tell you, with the Vitamix, I haven't had anything left behind. It is so powerful. I'm excited to be able to make soups and frozen desserts. I haven't tried that yet with the Vitamix, but I have using it daily since I got it for Christmas for my smoothie. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my go-to recipe that I use with my Vitamix. I have my Vitamix here. Love it. I just want to share it with you guys and kind of give you like a whole review on what I thought about my first impressions with the Vitamix. So I wanted to use it for a good while and really get the feel for it and really give you guys an honest opinion on what I thought of it. So I've been using it every single day since Christmas, and I've been making this go-to recipe, and it is so smooth. It is incredible how smooth it is compared to the Ninja. Like I said, I would still have whole chunks of blueberries and strawberries in them, but now I don't. It's been perfect. I'm gonna quit talking and we're just gonna jump into how I put my smoothie together. These are the ingredients for my daily smoothie. I always start out with a nut milk. I usually use a coconut milk, organic unsweetened coconut milk. When I went to Whole Foods this particular day, they were all out, so I went ahead and got the almond milk, but you always want to make sure that it is unsweetened. Then I add old-fashioned oats. I have my protein powder here. I have some flaxseed, organic Greek plain yogurt. This is plain, no sugar added, no flavor added. Raw almond butter, and I also add a tablespoon of this coconut butter. I do a 1/4 cup of blueberries, a 1/2 cup of strawberries, and a 1/2 of a banana, and then I also add a dash of cinnamon. For the blueberries and strawberries, I am using frozen. It is all personal preference. The frozen gives it like a different texture, and it's also gonna make it cold. I also like the frozen fruit because I can always have it on hand and I don't have to worry about things spoiling if I don't use them too fast. So these are all the ingredients. I know it looks like a lot, but it's really simple to put it together. So we're gonna go ahead and get things into the blender and get this smoothie blended up. Per Vitamix, they recommend putting in the dry ingredients first. So I always like to add in all my dry ingredients. Then I'm gonna go in with the Greek yogurt, almond butter. I'll go in with my banana, and then I will add the frozen fruit. So this is what we are looking like so far. Almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, meaning down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know some of your favorite things that I can try into my smoothie, because I'm always open to trying new recipes, trying new things. So please let me know down in the comment below. Bye guys.